Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have seen the Hungarian method to solve the assignment problem. Today we are going to apply that method to solve some examples. So consider the first example. Solve the following assignment problem. There are 5 men and there are 5 jobs. Three, 8, 2, 10, 3, 8, 7, 2, 9, 7, 6, 4, 2, 7, 5, 8, 4, 2, 3, 5 and 9, 10, 6, 9, 10. We want to solve this assignment problem. 5 men and 5 jobs. We want to see the optimal assignment, that is to minimize. So by Hungarian method, firstly we reduce this matrix so that each row contains 0. For that, what we have to do? From each row, select the smallest element and subtract it from all elements of that row. So in the first step, we select the smallest element of each row and subtract it from every element of that row. So we get the reduced matrix as, so from the first row the smallest is 2, so we subtract that. So we get the elements 1, 6, 0, 8, 1, subtract 2, minimum is 2 again in this row, so subtracting 2, we get 7, 5, 0, 7, 5. Minimum of the next row is also 2, subtract 2, we get 4, 2, 0, 5, 3. Subtract minimum again 2, so subtracting we get 6, 2, 0, 1, 3. And in the last row minimum is 6, so subtract 6 from every element, remains 3, 4, 0, 3, 4. Now select the smallest element of each column and subtract it from every element of that column. So the reduced matrix becomes, in the first column smallest is 1, so we get 0, 5, 3, 5, 2. In the second column smallest is 2, so the remaining 4, 3, 0, 0, 2. Third 0 is the smallest, so it remains as it is. In the fourth column, smallest is 1, so remains 7, 6, 4, 0, 2, and the smallest is again 1 in the last column, so we get 0, 4, 2, 2, 3. Now in this reduced matrix, we consider that row or column which contains single 0. So observe that first column contains single 0. So box that 0 and strike off the other zeros in that row or column. Now again fourth column contains single 0. So box that and strike off all other zeros in that row or column. Observe that second column contains single 0, so box this, cross others, and because this row contains single 0, box this, cross the remaining. Observe that number of assignments are 4 only. The order of the matrix is 5 by 5, and therefore we have to apply the next method, that is draw minimum number of horizontal and vertical lines that will cover all 0. For that, what is our procedure? Mark the row where assignment is not done. Assignment is not done in this row, so mark that row. In that mark row, see the column where 0 appears. So the column where 0 appears, and in that marked column where assigned 0 appears. So assigned 0 is in this unmarked rows and marked column. Observe that these are the minimum number of lines which cover all 0. Now from the remaining uncovered elements, select the smallest element. From uncovered element, the smallest element is 2. So subtract 2 from each of the uncovered element and add 2 at the intersection point. So we get the next matrix as 0, 4, add 2 at the intersection. So 2, 7, 0, 5. So we subtract 2 from this, 3, 1, 0, subtract 2, 4, 2, 3, 0, add 2, 4, 2, 5, 0, add 2, 0, 2, and last row becomes 0, 0, 0, subtract 2, so 0, and subtracting 2 remains 1. Now see that each row has 0, similarly each column has 0. So start assigning. Check the column or row which contains single 0. Observe that last column contains single 0. So box that 0 and cross out the other in that row or column. Now first column contains single 0. So box this and cross out the others. Now this column has single 0. So box this 0. Again this column has single 0. So box this 0, strike of the other. And then this has single 0. So box this. Observe that 5 assignments are done. Means that this is the optimal assignment. Every row and every column contains the assignment. So what is the optimal assignment? The assignment is A is assigned to J5, B is assigned to J3, C is assigned to J2, D is assigned to J4, and E is assigned to J1. And what is the cost? The assignment cost is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 9. So this is nothing but 5 plus 4, 9, 18, and 18 plus 3, 21 rupees. So the cost comes to be 21. 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 9 as according to the original cost of this. So this box says 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 and plus 9, we get the cost. So this is the optimal assignment as given by Hungarian method. Now consider the second example. Find the optimal assignment. There are 4 men and there are 4 jobs. Ten, 5, 13, 15, 3, 9, 18, 3, 10, 7, 3, 2 and 5, 11, 9, 7. We want to find the optimal assignment. 4 men and 4 jobs are given to us. That is, we want to minimize the problem. So, in the first step, find the smallest in each row, subtract it from every element of that row. So, the reduced matrix. So, the reduced matrix obtained by subtracting the smallest element of each row from every element of that row is, in the first row smallest is 5, so subtract 5, remains 5, 0, 8, 10. Smallest is 3 in the second row, so 0, 6, 15, 0. In the third row smallest is 2, so subtract 2 from every element, 5, 1, 0. Subtract 5 from every element because 5 is the smallest, remains 6, 4, 2. Now we want every column should contain 0. Only remains third column. So the reduced matrix obtained by subtracting the smallest element from each column. We have 5, 0, 8, 0, 0, 6, 5, 6. Subtract 1 from each. 7, 14, 0, 3 and 10, 0, 0, 2. Now search for single 0. Single 0 appears in first row. So box that. There are no 0 in the row or column. Now search again for single 0. Single 0 is in the last row. So box that. At the same time cross out the remaining 0. Now single 0 in the third column. So box this and cross out the remaining. And now single 0 is in the second. So there are 4 assignments and there are order of the matrix is also 4. So number of assigned 0 is same as the order of the matrix. So this is optimal assignment, and therefore optimal assignment is A is assigned to second, B is assigned to fourth, C is assigned to third, and D is assigned to first. And what is the cost? The cost is, for second it is 5 plus, for fourth 3 plus, for third it is 3, and for first it is 5. So it is total cost is 16, and therefore the optimal cost becomes 16 rupees. So we have seen some examples to solve the assignment problem by Hungarian method. Enough for the day. In the next lecture, we will see maximization case, that is how to solve the assignment for maximization. Thank you.